You've decided to sell your home in 2025. Great! But are you prepared for all the true costs of selling a home? Now, most sellers only think about agent commissions, but there are other expenses that can eat into your profits. And if you're not ready, it could cost you literally tens of thousands of dollars. Now today, I am breaking down the 9 hidden costs of selling your Seattle or Eastside home so that you can plan ahead and avoid surprises and ultimately keep more money in your pocket. Hey, Ravi Ramachandran with the Rams Group here. We help buyers, sellers, and investors all across the Seattle and Eastside areas make confident, well-informed real estate decisions. Now, if you are planning to sell your home this year or the next, this breakdown could save you a lot of money as well as headaches. So here are the 9 hidden costs. Hidden cost number 1, pre-listing repairs and maintenance. Now this is where we'll start. Now buyers in 2025 expect move-in ready homes, even in a lower inventory market. Now what does this mean to you? It is tackling little things such as the leaky faucets, replacing cracked tiles, touching up paint, and servicing your HVAC. Now these small jobs can run anywhere between $500 to $2,000, but sometimes you'll need bigger updates to compete as well, such as refinishing hardwood floors, which could cost anywhere between $3,000 to $6,000, replacing worn out carpets, $2,500 to $4,000 if you will, or even a roof replacement, which can run you about $10,000 to $20,000. Now these can be deal makers, especially when buyers are comparing your home to the updated ones nearby yours. Now let's look at hidden cost number 2, staging, photography, and marketing. In Seattle and the East Side areas, staged homes consistently sell faster, and not only that, for more money. Now professional staging can run anywhere between $2,000 to $5,000 for the average home, at about $500 to $1,000 for professional photography, drone shots, and 3D virtual tours. Now in 2025, buyers are shopping online first, so your home's digital first impression is everything. Now we've had clients get multiple offers in days simply because their home looked stunning online. And not only that, it popped because of the online marketing that we do. Then let's look at hidden cost number 3, which is pre-inspections. Now one often overlooked cost is a pre-listing home inspection. Now this can run anywhere between $400 to $800 on average, but it helps you identify and fix issues before it catches the buyer's eyes and they come to know. Now this can prevent surprises during negotiations, the back and forth, give the buyers total confidence about owning your home potentially after they buy it, which can lead to stronger offers. Then let's look at hidden cost number 4, seller concessions. Even in competitive markets like ours, buyers may request concessions, covering part of their closing costs or offering repair credits even. Now this is typically going to be 1 to 3% of the sale price. Just for numbers sake, on a $1 million home, that's about $10,000 to $30,000. Now, it's best to plan for this upfront so that you are not shocked when it comes up. Then let's look at hidden cost number 5, holding costs while you put your home on the market. Now, what do I mean? The longer your home sits on the market without being sold after a list, the more you pay in your mortgage, taxes, and insurance, as well as utilities. In our area, that can easily run anywhere between $3,000 to $5,000 per month on an average home. And if you've already moved, you're covering 2 sets of expenses. That's why pricing your home right from the start matters. And overpricing can cost you thousands in holding costs. That's what I meant by saying holding costs. Then let's look at hidden cost number 6, which is the transaction costs. In Washington, expect real estate excise tax to be between 1.1 to 3% of the sales price. Now, the title insurance for the buyer, escrow fees, and recording fees. These can add anywhere between $15,000 to $30,000 even to your selling costs. Now, many sellers underestimate these, but they are non-negotiable. Something for you to be aware of. Then let's look at hidden cost number 7, moving costs. Now, local moves with professional movers cost anywhere between $1,500 to $3,500 on average, whereas a cross-country move can range anywhere between $7,000 to a little over $15,000 even. Now, even a do-it-yourself move adds up. Truck rental, packing supplies, fuel, and most importantly, your time. These need to be accounted for. Then let's look at hidden cost number 8, the emotional cost. The biggie of all. Now, selling a home is totally emotional, I get it. Now, it's where you've made memories, raised your kids, maybe even built it yourself. Now, this can totally lead to decision fatigue or attachment that affects your pricing and negotiation strategy even. This is where having a trusted advisor helps you keep decisions logical and financially smart. They will help you do it. Now, then we'll finally look at hidden cost number 9. When you add everything up, selling costs in Seattle and Eastside often total to about 7 to 10% of the sale price. But with the right plan, you can reduce some of these expenses and maximize your bottom line, your net. Now, this is where working with a local expert makes a huge difference. If you want to understand exactly what it would cost to sell your home and how to keep more of your equity, I'd be happy to walk you through a free, no obligation, absolutely no obligation seller net sheet. And if you're planning a relocation, I've got a free relocation guide as well. Just comment the word move below and I'll send it to you. Now, my information is in the description below. Feel free to call, DM, or book into my calendar. I'm happy to chat. You take care and I'll talk to you soon.